Well, children, so in the last class, in chapter number, exercise number 2.1, you have studied about the addition and subtraction of the rational number and different word problem also. So now in the next exercise 2.2, we will see that product and division are some word problems are there. So we will do today here. Now you see, first question was multiply and write the following in the simplest form. Certain problems are there that you multiply and after that do the simplified. So question number 1, question number 2, A, 2 into 3 by 4, multiply the right and follow in the simplest form. Multiply and write in simplest form. Simplest form. Question number A is 2 into 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4. This is very simple for you. Also, how you are doing the multiplication of rational number? न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट सिंप्लीफाई. सो हियर सिंस डिनोमिनेटर इज नथिंग, सो यू विल राइट 1. सो दिस 2 3 are 6, 4 1 are 2 3 are 6, 4 1 are 4 4, and if you will simplify 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, so this has become 3 by 2 or this also you can write 1 whole 1 by 2. This is the answer of this. 2 point. Question number 2. A, B, C, D all are just same. Now take one more example. 3 by 4 into A, B, C. 3 by 4 into 8. So this 3 by 4 into 8 by 1 is equal to 24 by 4 is equal to 6. This is 6. So this way, this is the answer of 2.2 of 2 questions. So certain more problems are given here in 2.2. So we will see that 2.2 3 by 2 and C. Next, this is the answer. Now, take one more example of mixed problem. 4 into, take one more example. 4 into 5 whole 1 by 2. F. 4 into 5 whole 1 by 2. This also you just take 4 into 5 whole 1 by 2. So this you can write, first make it improper fraction. So 4 into 2 5 are 10 into 1 plus 1, 11 by 2. This 11 for you 44 and upon 2, and if you will simplify it will become 22. So this will be the answer of this. Now take the next problem. Next problem is F 2.2 ABCD of 22. Take now take one more problem. F H 2 whole 3 by 14, 2 whole 3 by 14 multiplied by 21. 21. Same way 14 to the 28. 28 plus 3, 31 upon 14. So this will become 31 upon 14 into 21. So this you going to simplify here also. If the multiplications are greater number, so you can do this one here also. Or after doing the product, after that also you can simplify the thing. Now since in 7 to the 14, 7 3 ja, now it has become less. Now 3 multiplied by 31. So this is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 upon 2. So this is become 93 upon 2. So this way, this question number 2 is also over. 21 to 93 upon 2. This is the answer of. Some more problems are given in the same pattern. So do yourself. Now we will move to the question number 3. In question number 3, find 1/4. Now this is question number 3. Question number 3. Find a 1/4 of first 24, 28, 24, second 28, third 18 whole 3 by 4, 18 whole 3 by 4, fourth 9 whole 1 by 2, 9 whole 1 by 2. This is the question. Question number 3. Find a 1/4 of first 24, 1/4 of 28, 1/4 of 18 whole 3 by 4, and 1/4 of 9 whole 1 by 2. So take one by one. Question number 8. 1/4 of 24. So for solving the half, wherever half is given, that means on behalf of half, you can do the multiplication. So this is equal to 1/4 into 24. Now the question is same. 24 1 ja 24 upon 4 is equal to 4, 6 ja 24. So it has become 6. So 1/4 of 24 is equal to this one. A 1. Second, 1/4 of 28. 1/4 of 28. This is equal to 1/4 into 28. This is equal to 4 7 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7. This is the answer. Third, 1/4 of 18 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 18 whole 3 by 4, again 1 4, 18 4 ja 72 plus 3 75, 75 upon 4. So 18 4 ja 72 plus 3 75 upon 4. Now see 75 will be can be cancelled out only by 5 or 3, but 4 cannot be cut by 3 or 5. So answer will become 75 upon 4. This is the answer. This you can convert in mixed fraction also. Both answers are correct. So same way, this is the A part, third of A part. Now question number 3, B part. B part also take some example. 5 6 same way it is. 5 6 of, this is 5 6 of A. B का first part 5 6 of 20. Question number 1 20. Question number 2 24. Question number 3 36 whole 1 by 6. 4 42 whole 5 by 6. 42 whole 5 by 6. 4 questions are there in question number B. 5 6 and in the question number 1/4 of these number. Now same way 5 6 of these numbers you have to find out. So first question A, 5 6 of 20. This is equal to 5 6 into 20. So this is 2500 upon 6. This you can cancel. 2 3 are 6, 50. So 50 upon 3 is the answer of first. Second, 5 6 of 24. 5 6 into 24. This will become 120 upon 6. 6 2 ja 20. This is the answer of this one. Take one more example. Third, 5 6 of 36 whole 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6 multiplied by 36 whole 1 by 6. That is equal to 5 by 6 multiply 6 into 36. It will become into 6 6 is 36 or 6 3 is 6 6 is 36 or 6 3 is 18 plus 3 21 or plus 1 227. 270 upon 6. So this will become 5. So 5 7 is 35. 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8. 1085 upon 36. It has become 1085 upon 36, and after that you can convert in this number B, third B. This is the third B, 1085 upon 36. This is the answer. So all answers are given here. One is this, other one is this, third one is this. So one more is given here, that you do yourselves. Same way, because this is same. Now we will see two word problems are given here, that we will see. Question number 4. That question number 4. In question number 4, Vinita completed 5/6 of the homework on Saturday. How much homework is left to be completed on Sunday? Now see question number 4, word problem. What is that? Vinita completed 5/6 of her homework on Saturday. Question number 4. Vinita completed 5/6 of work. 5/6 of work on Saturday. On Saturday. Saturday. How much homework is left to be? How much homework is left? How much homework is left to be completed? To be completed. To be completed on Sunday. This is the question number 4. Vinita completed 5/6 of work on Saturday. How much homework is left to be completed on Sunday? See, 5/6 of work. जो वर्क था उसका 5/6 पार्ट विनीता ने सैटरडे को कंप्लीट कर लिया, तो संडे को कितना काम बचा? जो वर्क है वो उसको एक है, वो एक में से अगर हम 5/6 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो जो रिमेनिंग होगा वो वही रिमेनिंग हो जाएगा. तो Vinita completed 5/6 of homework. So remaining work निकालने के लिए remaining work. So what you will do? 5/6 of work complete हो चुका है. So is equal to 1 minus टोटल वर्क. मान लीजिए एक पूरा कोई काम है, 1 वर्क इज कंप्लीट, एक वर्क है, उसका 5/6 पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया है, तो 1 minus 5/6 दिस विल बी द इतना पार्ट जो है, इतना पार्ट बचा है. सो हाउ मच इट विल बिकम? एक एलसीएम 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1/6. So how much part is now remaining? 5/6 is completed and 1/6 will remain. That is the answer of this question. तो संडे के लिए कितना बचा है उसका? 1/6. 6. For the Sunday, so remaining one, this is the answer. This is the answer of question number 4. Now, question number 5, we will see. Question number 5. In question number 5, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle containing 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of water. Pratap consumes the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? Same thing. Question number 5. In question number 5, see, in question number 5, in question number 5, it is given that Vidya and Pratap went to picnic. Question is what? Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them their mother gave them a water bottle. A water bottle water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. 2/5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. Now we have to find out A. How much water did Vidya drink? How much water did Vidya drink? B. What fraction of the total quantity of water Did Pratap drink? Did Pratap drink? So this is the question. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So this is also easy question. So Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. It means what? विद्या और प्रताप दोनों पिकनिक को गए और उनकी मदर ने उनको एक वाटर बॉटल दिया दैट कंटेन्ड 5 लीटर ऑफ वाटर, जिसके अंदर हाउ मच वाटर वाज देयर? 5 लीटर ऑफ वाटर. So 5 liter of it was containing 5 liter of water. विद्या कंज्यूम 2/5 of water. जितना था उसका 2/5 विद्या ने कंज्यूम किया. Remaining and water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So दो आंसर you have to give. First, how much water did Vidya drink? विद्या ने कितना पानी पिया? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? प्रताप ने कितना पानी पिया? So how much water did Vidya drink? So according to question क्या हो रहा है? विद्या drinks the water, that is how much? विद्या कंज्यूम 2/5 of water. जितना पानी था उसका 2/5 of 5 लीटर. 5 लीटर का 2/5 पार्ट विद्या ने कंज्यूम किया. सो दिस यू 2/5 into 5 you cancel, so 2 liter. So it is 2 liter water विद्या ने कंज्यूम किया. So again विद्या ने कितना पानी पिया? 2 liter. Now last question for you. Now 2 liter water Vidya consumed. Now a question number A का सॉल्व हो गया. Question number B, what fraction of the total quantity? Now Pratap consumed how much water? Total water Pratap consumed water, since it was previously 5 liter minus 2, it is 3 liter. 3 liter of water Pratap ने कंज्यूम किया. बट इट इज आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टोटल क्वांटिटी. ये 3 लीटर जो है ये टोटल क्वांटिटी का कितना फ्रैक्शन है? सो दैट विल बिकम 3/5 लीटर. 5 लीटर में 3 लीटर अगर पीता है तो कितना फ्रैक्शन पीता है? 3/5 लीटर प्रताप कंज्यूम्स. दैट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ. So this way your exercise number 2.2 is completely over. So complete this exercise number 2.2. This is today's work. Okay, thank you.